I'm outside in my pajamas, you know, like usual, but I just got my test tiles out of the kiln this morning and I wanted to show you what colors I now have for example. Yes, and that is number 2. It's so hard to see the red in this on the camera. Let's try this way. It's right here. Test tiles are not the best way to look at these, but this is what we've got. 3 oolong matte. Just in deep areas and underhangs, you'll get that turquoise color, or yeah, it's sort of a greenish turquoise. That's number 3, oolong matte. Number 4 is a celadon, which means it's kind of translucent, transparent-y looking, and it's fog color. Number 4. Number 5. This kind of has a mirror finish. Let's see if I can hold it up and get a better light on it. It's kind of green and brown undertones. That one is just Seaweed. This one is called Wine About It. It is a kind of transparent pink. Sometimes it's a little paler, but that's a good example. That is number 6. This is Arctic Blue. Oops, let's see if I can get that in focus. Arctic Blue under charcoal. That pulls up really nice and thick. Can't go too far down on that one with the blue, but pretty. So the charcoal area is not quite black. And this one is Seaweed. Is what Seaweed looks like over charcoal. It breaks up in these interesting patterns. Yeah, and the charcoal again is just like not quite black. It's just a really dark gray. That was number 8. Okay. And this one I think I forgot to mention is number 7. Arctic Blue over charcoal. Number 9. Let's get you in focus. There you go. Kind of cool looking. Number 9 is Ancient Copper over Turquoise. You had a weird result with that. I like it. This is a brand new one. I've only ever tested it on tile before. I've never seen it, but this is Turquoise over Fire Brick. It's Turquoise over Fire Brick, number 10. Number 11. This one is Turquoise over Ancient Copper. It's interesting, you can't see the metallic copper in there, just maybe a little bit up here. Isn't that cool? Sorry, my hands are a mess. I'm trying to hide them a little bit. Having your hands in clay all the time is not good. This one is blue rutile, okay, blue rutile with turquoise on top. Makes really cool patterns. That's number 17.